Knotel. Here's a patented mobile system that allows any person to sleep anytime, anywhere. If they have a car, of course. One person can install the Knotel in just a few minutes. Moreover, it's not necessary to modify the car to use Knotel either. When it's not being used, it looks like a compact flat bag. However, when the user unfolds it, it transforms the space of the car, creating a wide horizontal surface. A soft rolled mattress can be unfolded there. The system comes with car window covers, so lanterns or daylight won't bother you during your sleep. The sleeping platform is 2 meters long. The maximum weight that the system can withstand is 190 kilograms, and you can buy it for $470. Chatsworth CV. And now it's time to talk about motorhomes that are so technologically advanced and aesthetically pleasing that they're no inferior to real houses. Moreover, in some cases they're better than the place that you live in right now. The Chatsworth CV was developed by the British company Eldis, which specialises in the production and sale of motorhomes as well as house trailers. A sliding door provides a convenient and easy way in. The solar panels provide electricity during travel. The Chatsworth CV has many other interesting features too. Its developers have done everything possible to ensure that the mobile home gives its residents a fundamentally new level of comfort and safety. This house on wheels stands out for its stylish interior design in comparison with other models. The ceiling lamps guarantee maximum light in the rooms at any time. Moreover, you can protect yourself from sunlight by using the curtains on the windows. The Chatsworth CV has energy-saving lamps, a TV set, and a kitchen with a microwave, fridge, freezer, and much more. The Vario Signature. The next mobile home we want to show you was developed on the basis of the Mercedes-Benz Actros 2553 heavy truck. Its main distinguishing features, according to the manufacturer, are its smooth lines, outstanding quality, exclusive design, and XXL beds. The 12-meter long and 3-meter wide body provides almost unlimited possibilities for finishing and decorating. And rest assured, both designers and engineers have used the space wisely. All the living areas of this motorhome blend smoothly with each other. Inside, there are several sleeping areas. There can be up to 6 beds too. It's noteworthy that in the back of the house there is a garage for a small car, like a Roadster MB SL or a Mini Cooper Cabriolet. Other notable features include an aerodynamic roof spoiler, stainless steel exhaust pipes, and an advanced driver assistance system. The latter will warn you if the vehicle is off the lane, for example. Natural materials such as American walnut veneer were used to create the interior. Sofas and armchairs are made of natural leather. There are retractable widescreen TV sets too. The sink surface can also be covered to save space. The fridge and freezer are skillfully integrated into the design, and of course, not many motorhomes have such a spacious bathroom. The Newmar King Air. If we had shown you just the interior of this place and nothing else, you wouldn't believe that you're seeing a mobile house. And indeed, what you see on the screen isn't exactly a house. Actually, it's the King Air from the American company Newmar. Its specialists design and create luxury vehicles. Therefore, this is not just a mobile home, but a luxury mobile home. However, you probably already noticed that. Not in vain, it's called the King Air. It really allows you to travel and live like a king. The drivers and passenger seats are equipped with heating and cooling systems. There's a massage function too. The fabrics used to finish the furniture were selected from the Ralph Lauren Home Collection. The windows are large enough to let in as much natural light as possible, and the TV shows movies and shows in 4K, and there's a Blu-ray player, as well as 11 speakers located in different parts of the house. The table in the dining area automatically slides in and out. In the kitchen, you'll find a double sink, a large fridge, a stove, and even a dishwasher. Amazingly, the engineers even managed to install a small but spacious storage room. There are 2 bathrooms, a guest bathroom, and another one in the master bedroom. The 2020 Tiffin Wayfarer. Here is another mobile home that provides its owner a high level of comfort and safety. It was developed on the basis of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter light commercial vehicle. However, the front grille, the fenders, and the headlights were modified. You can choose from 4 interior design options. The most luxurious includes a spacious double bed. Also in the bedroom you can find a variety of closets, so you can take anything you need on your trips. The kitchen has a built-in refrigerator, a stainless steel sink, a convection oven, and a double stove. The floors finish with linoleum, and the cabinets are made of natural wood. The Magnitude BH35. Finally, here's the last item on today's list. However, even though it's at the end of our list, it's not inferior to all the other luxury mobile homes. So, here is the amazing Magnitude BH35. A comfortable living space is what's always missing when traveling on the road. But the Magnitude BH35 is spacious and has plenty of room to make your trips more enjoyable. The kitchen has a double sink and, surprisingly, a 3-burner cooktop. In case one bathroom isn't enough for travelers, the Magnitude BH35 is equipped with a second one. There's a sink, a toilet, and closets to store all your things. In the sleeping area, you'll find a double bed and a TV. The bedside tables have built-in USB ports to charge your gadgets as well. You can adjust the brightness, the ventilation, and the temperature inside the house using the touchscreen. Increased security is provided by cameras located outside the vehicle. Pay attention to the sliding canopy too, that allows everyone to have a good time outside.